everyone, please listen the important message for the future generation, for the safety of our lives. Everyone has to take a oath to save our nature. When a child born in the home, we should make it sure implantation of a plant. After the completion of 2 or 3 years age, it can hand over to that child for the safety of future generation. Green, green, go green. Green, green, go green. Green, green, go green. Healthy, healthy, go healthy. Healthy, healthy, go healthy. Healthy, healthy, go healthy. So, it is a better idea to every human being. It is our responsibility to give a message for the safety of future generation, because the environment is going on with so much pollution. So we should have to save our environment and to avoid pollution. The usage of plastic covers or electronic goods, whatever we are using, better to avoid. In that place, we can use other items like gunny bags. Everyone, you know well about the environment, and the rains are going on decreasing year by year due to so many problems. So it's my small message to you. Please follow it and think it is our duty. Thank you very much.